Hey everyone, it's PK from Restoration Design, and I'm here today to walk you through an update on the BMW 2002 project. We're finally revealing the engine of choice, and that is going to be a BMW engine. I know in the past we mentioned we could do like a Honda K-Series, which is great bang for your buck, but it was a shop decision that we're going to stick to the brand. So here we have a turbocharged B48 engine out of a 530i. I believe it's a 2017 model, and this one is going to produce around 250 horsepower. So plenty of horsepower per pound. Hopefully should make this car go pretty well down the road. Some of the unique challenges that were posed to us with this engine choice, first of all, is the transmission. So in Europe, they're offered with a manual from what I understand, but instead of shipping a manual transmission from Europe for this project, we decided to go with our trusty ZF S5D. For you BMW nerds will know, is a BMW E36 5-speed transmission. They're also offered in a 6-speed, but we're going to go with the 5 because we got plenty of torque to push this thing down the road. We don't need to pull gears that often. I haven't seen it done yet. I'm sure there's a few guys that have done it. So we've got the E36 transmission bolted to the back of the motor, but we need an adapter plate. So our friends at Works in Sweden, they fabbed up, designed and machined a adapter plate that goes between the B48 and the E36 transmission. The rationale for using the S5D is that they're readily available, and I've personally raced on them. They work well in a high performance environment, and they're fairly robust. Okay, great. So we've got the engine and the tranny combo sorted out, but we know the drivetrain is going to head back to the rear end of the car. Custom drive shaft shouldn't be a problem, but we're going to have a custom designed subframe and rear suspension that we've designed here in-house, and we're going to manufacture here. So the next video will be either of a partially assembled rear end or hopefully something bolted to the car. So we're going to retain E30 half shafts, E30 rear diff, but custom suspension components. So it'll be an interesting combo. I think you guys will like that. So stay tuned for the build.